Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the cyclic clouding of the steel column or steel beam embedded in the concrete block. Here we use a rough mesh to accelerate the simulation, but if you use finer mesh for both parts, you will get the better results. So let me click on here and zoom here and click on the animate. You can see this is the cyclic loading as a displacement versus time by using an amplitude. Let me just check the beam. And now let me replace the concrete. You can check the compressive damage. If you use finer mesh, you will get a better result, or tension damage. Stiffness degradation. Plastic strain, or anything else. You can get the result for the concrete block or beam as the stress, strain, damage, failure, anything. We use concrete damage plasticity to model the concrete behavior under the cyclic loading, and also kinematic hardening for the beam to consider the yield surface movement during or changing during age cycle for the steel part. Also, we can request here the hysteresis diagram for this analysis. You can see that this is the hysteresis diagram for the concrete and steel beam. Under that cyclic loading, the maximum load and the maximum displacement, you can see that. Uh, Also, we can use smack cracking, I don't know, the tactile damage for the steel to consider damage here, because this is the critical zone here for both parts, the steel and the concrete. So if you need to model the steel and concrete under the cyclic loading, you can come to our website here, www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here. The tutorial contains CAINP and English video file step by step. Almost the tutorials also contains papers as the material data. Then you will have the title, short explanation about the process and geometry, and then the result here as figures. The cost for the CAINP and English video file is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address, then I will tell you about the purchasing process. If you have any questions or if you need any help, contact me also to this email, and I will answer you. Thank you for your attention.